Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny K. I'm coming back with another product review for you here today. We are on the 1A Auto website, and today we're looking at a set of headlights, more specifically the TRD Pro Style Headlights for my 2017 Toyota Tundra. Yes, these are currently installed on my truck. No, I am not being compensated by 1A Auto or any of their affiliates to review this product. If that changes in the future, I will let everybody know. Okay, so price point $219.95. I think that is very fair when you consider that these are just going to be a direct replacement style headlight, so no LEDs, no wiring modifications. You pretty much take the old halogen bulbs from your other headlights and just it's a direct swap. Okay, very simple, very easy, and you're gonna be good to go. Okay, so you have your photos here of the different views of the housings, and then this one here is probably going to be the most important in this review because it shows the back of the housing here, and it informs you that if you have your truck with the self-adjusting headlights or the self-auto-leveling adjusted headlights, whatever the term they use to call it, these utilize the same feature, right? So if you have that little adjustment knob on the interior of your Tundra towards the bottom of the dash, and you're able to, you know, flip it up or down to adjust the level of your headlights, you can still do the same thing with these. And that was something that was definitely important, especially if you have one of those higher trim models. So if you have like a limited, etc., 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 right? So, and these are just some remaining photos of your bulb connections, etc., etc. All right, simple enough? I think so. Let's see. I believe this is the part number here. So if anyone wants to reference the part number, there you go. Okay. Moving on down here, some part details. So again, these are just your standard halogen style headlights. 1A Auto does offer an LED style headlight that's in the TRD Pro style. So if that's something that is more what you're looking for, you can find it on the website. But again, this is, you know, on this channel, I review products that I purchase and I use, and that's why I am reviewing the standard halogen headlights. Okay, so you got your black bezel, you get the passenger side, driver's side. It says they are the TRD Pro. It does say direct fit, no wiring modifications, yada, 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 all that good stuff. Okay. It also says here that they come with test bulbs, and it says that you should replace before installation. So once again, when you take out the old housings, don't throw away the bulbs if they're still good. Take them out of the old housings, put them in these new headlamps. Okay. So we get down to the reviews. Definitely some useful information down here from these individuals who were willing to share their opinions and their perspectives. Once again, that's why I do this as well, so I can share my thoughts. And then you have some Q&A down here. It says right here, does it have the self-leveling motor, power adjusting options? So, you know, once again, they're confirming that yes, these headlamps do utilize that same feature. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this, for part one at least. Again, this is not going to be an extremely long video because I don't feel like it needs to be. So what we will do is we are going to commence part two. We're going to go out to the truck. We're going to take a look. We are going to talk about a little bit when it comes to the installation and how it is kind of frustrating when you think about the concept of swapping headlight housing should be a fairly simple process, but in this case it really wasn't. So, all right, so everyone stay tuned. We're going to go out to the truck. We'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to part two of our review of the TRD Pro Style Headlights from 1A Auto. All right, so we'll get some different camera angles for everybody so we can just kind of see how they look. It definitely matches with the theme that I have of my grill guard and the grill itself and the hood bulge. Definitely turned out great. All right, let's see if we can fire up the truck now. It'd help if it was unlocked. We're not going to get in here if it's not unlocked. All right, headlights are on. The DRLs are on, the headlights are on. There we go. And then it also looks really nice. We turn the grill lights on. Then we have the headlight, DRL, and then you have the ambers on the grill. Then you have your DRL and then your headlight over here. Okay. And then this is your little auto level adjuster. Maybe if I was a little bit more intelligent, I would have done this one at night, so that way we could actually see that the adjusting works on these new headlights, but trust me, it does. So you'll have to take my word for it. All right, so let's talk a little bit about installation here. Okay, actually, you know what? Why don't we power down? Whoop, put those back where they were. That off. All right, so I actually haven't driven the truck in almost a week, because I've got my company car now. So but let's talk a little bit about the installation on this. So anybody who has one of these Tundras, you know that doing the simplest type of modification takes a tedious amount of work. So in order to get any new headlights in, you got to remove the grill. You got to remove this plastic fairing piece before you can even pull the housing out. And yeah, it's kind of a pain. So luckily I swapped these before I got my fender flares on, and you know, it is what it is. Okay, so if you plan on doing any type of headlight swap, keep in mind those are the steps that you're gonna have to embrace. Okay, is it hard? Not really. The only thing is, be very careful when you pull this grill out, okay? Because there are two tabs on both sides. Okay, and those tabs, let's see, what's the easiest way to explain it? If you're not careful pulling this grill out, those tabs will snap and you're pretty much screwed. Okay, so just be very, very careful. And again, I don't know why Toyota decided to manufacture it this way, but again, that's not That's not my call. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you all think about the lights. Let me know what you think about the review. I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. In our next video, you know what? Maybe we'll do the tail lights in the next one. Okay. But until then, oh yeah, if you want to support my channel, I utilize Buy Me a Coffee. Obviously, comment, like, and subscribe. Those are all things that help out the channel. I am still getting my NFL football channel up and off the ground, Johnny K. Pigskin. So definitely give that a visit. Comment and subscribe to that channel as well. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So once again, everyone, thank you for joining me. And then we will see y'all next time.